Everybody, today I'm coming to you from Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. I have the Mavic 2 all ready to go, and later on I'm also going to do a review of the Ronin S, and I currently have a Canon 5D Mark IV on there with 24 through 70 plus a couple of filters, and I'll explain what I have on there later and why I use those. And so I'm going to get started. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly around some of these high rises close to the tops and show you what like the penthouses look like. I'm not going to get too close, but just kind of like smooth orbiting shots of a few of these buildings where I can see the drone flying. So I'm going to take a couple of different stops. So I'm going to drive to a few other shopping plazas to get a few others. Like there's the that one right there, right there, right there. No, right there, there. Hold on. Crap, right there. So I'm going to fly around the top of that and show you guys what that looks like. On the other side here, we have the Porsche Design Tower, which is this like long cylinder. And if you own a unit there, you can actually drive your car. It has like a car balcony, a car elevator, so it drives you all the way up to your unit. So you don't even have to really know your neighbors. It's pretty much drive in, go home. You don't have to say hi to anybody if you don't want to. And then there's a couple other high rises currently under construction nearby. And this little short guy here. And there's a Burger King right there. So let's get started. Thanks. Okay, so here we have the Muse, recently completed. These are the Jade Towers, Jade Ocean and Jade Beach, and Jade Signature, also recently completed. And let's see how those rooftops look. next spot. This is a park in Miami Beach off of Indian Creek. There's a lot of like luxury mansions over there. So I'm gonna get some shots of that. Hopefully catch a boat passing by as the drawbridge on 63rd Street opens right there. And then this is the Akoya, right there, high-rise condominium. So let's see what's on the roof over there. Let's see what's going on over there. Pretty iconic high rises behind me. This is the Portofino, which is like a pink building, and those two are the Continuum towers. So we're gonna go see what's going on the roofs of those with the Mavic Pro Fly More combo in the case. And also you can see like port is right there. Right across the bay is Fisher Island. You got some weather coming in there, so I'm gonna keep an eye out on that. And a pretty nice day overall. So finally the rain let up a little bit because it's just been weather's been kind of crappy the last couple days.